Using a 13mm socket, the bolt securing the factory rocker guards to the bottom side of your Jeep's tub can be removed. Then, using a 10mm socket, all the nuts securing it to the pinch seam can be removed as well. As luck would have it, that's all that's needed to remove a set of rocker guards from your Jeep Wrangler or GT Gladiator. Unfortunately, without them, the unfinished pinch seams are left totally exposed. And maybe it's just me, but they look kind of unsightly. But there are solutions to help hide them, some of which include rocker guards that incorporate your factory ones to help hide them. And then there are other kits where you bolt on strips of metal and they cost about $100. Of course, there is always paint, but what I like to use is this. This is what I call a hide-a-seam. And as you can see, it's essentially flat black vinyl that I've cut down into strips. So let's get them installed. The first thing I'm going to do is remove these two bolts on the pinch seam, and for that I'll be using a 10mm socket. Then I'm going to thoroughly clean the pinch seam using some soapy water. We're going to want to clean both the front and back side of it all the way across. And then I'm going to clean it again using some 91% isopropyl alcohol. This will help to get rid of any oils and grease or anything else that might help prevent the adhesive on the vinyl from adhering completely. Again, you want to get both front and back the best you can. Okay, from here, we just need to take the hide-a-seam, peel it off its backing, and then carefully apply it to the pinch seam. It's kind of forgiving, so if it's not on exactly the way you want, you can just kind of lift it up. Make sure it's in those dips. Okay, and then from here, you just want to fold it underneath and apply it to the back side. All right, once it's on, just simply grab the next strip and repeat with it slightly overlapping the previous strip. And then move on down the row. Now these two bolts, you can paint them black and that'll help hide them better, or you could just reinstall them as is. And I'm just gonna do that right now just so you can see what I'm doing. Find where they were, just pierce through. And just like that, the pinch seam is completely hidden. And I should note, you can buy a set of hide-a-seam strips for your Jeep Wrangler or GT Gladiator simply by clicking on the link below. Now, the reason why I came up with this idea is because we like running a set of frame-mounted rocker guards, much like the set of Evos that you see here on our 392. But this is also a cheap and easy solution for anybody with something like a Sport who doesn't need rocker guards but would still like to hide those unsightly pinch seams. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you're not already a member, we would love for you to join us on our online community at wayalife.com. Until next time, keep the shiny side up, all four on the floor, and with any luck, we'll see you on the trail. It's so